What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Rissa. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? So I am doing the no burp challenge. Oh, sorry y'all. 20-ounce Coke. Let's see if we can do this. Ooh. I already feel a burp right here, y'all. I ain't gonna let it come out. Calm down, don't drink no more. Ooh. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up new videos. Oh God, I feel a burp, right? Okay, it's so strong. At least get right here, Rissa, for you burp, you know? God. I'm right at the line under here. Oh gosh, but I feel the burp. It's like right here. You can do it, Rissa. You can do it. Don't burp. Don't burp. Don't burp. Don't burp. Don't burp. Don't burp. Burping is bad. Burping is bad. I don't know who made this challenge. So nobody tagged me into it. I just want to do it. Because I've seen people doing it and I want to see if I can drink a whole soda without burping. Oh. It's like, oh, I'm full. I ain't burped, but I'm full with drink. Ugh. Full with drink. Okay, well, sorry, excuse me. Okay, y'all, well, excuse me. Look, y'all, I drink that much before I burp, so. Oops, still burping. Okay, look, I'm done. Okay, I'm done burping. Maybe not. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up another video. You can do and be whatever you want to do in life. Stay positive. Stay around people that's positive. Don't have negative people in your circle. And please stay prayed up. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. God loves you and so do I. I'm out. Peace. Okay, I was out.